Hey, what's up, YouTube world? Welcome back to the Lamborghini Gallardo build. We are here already, as you can see, pretty much torn into the vehicle. Yeah, it's been a while, but we got most of the parts, so we're gonna go ahead and proceed with this build. Perfect right here. Got a little U-Haul trailer just for the parts. This should work really good. Yeah. It looks small, but it's actually a lot of room in here, so all the parts are gonna fit in here. Look at that. Oh yeah. You can throw a mattress back here and go to sleep if need be. Here's the suspension, pretty much everything we need. The quarter panel is cut, and a bunch of little miscellaneous parts that are already inside. Like I said, it's go in this little trailer. So. We got Chris, our body guy. He's actually going to be working this. So he's already started tearing into this, as y'all can see. This is what it looks like with one muffler missing. Look at this huge muffler, man. This is just, it's unreal. Unfreaking real. Either way, once we get the suspension and the new lines through, put some oil in it, hopefully we can go ahead and drive this thing and see how it drives. Alright, y'all. We're over here at Elite Audio to pick up the wheels for the Lamborghini Gallardo. Let's see which option we chose. Excuse me? Oh, my bad. This is the place over here. That's oh yeah.
This one look like a silver.
Oh, this.
I'm gonna grab the cap.
That's pretty hot. So we'll put these on the cart and see how they look like in this color. And if we don't like how it looks, we're gonna take them and we'll get them powder coated in gloss black. The fronts fit good, but the rears, as you can see, I don't know if I can get some light in there. It won't fit. It won't clear the brakes. I can't. If I push it onto here, it's just gonna scrape the caliper. So the offset is not correct, unfortunately. But the front is perfect. Look, it's on, plenty of clearance. See, it's perfect. But the rears, we gotta do something different with the offset. Hey guys, we're test fitting the wheels right now. We used a 3mm spacer just to kind of test it out and see how it looks. And so far, I like how it sits. So it looks like we're gonna put a 3mm in the back and a 3mm spacer in the front. We're gonna go ahead and order hub-centric spacers for them. So you can see the little spacer right there. But it looks good. All right, y'all. We're back to the Lamborghini build. Here's Mr. Chris Smith, the one and only paint and body expert. So as y'all can see, he already started tearing into this car. This is just one muffler right here. Look at this thing, man. Dude, you can hide like, man, pounds and pounds of marijuana here if you were into that kind of thing, you know. That is wild. That's huge. But yeah, here she is taking it apart. Like I said, it's only one muffler, so once we do a muffler dealie on there, there'll be a lot of extra space and a lot less weight. So Chris, right now, he's just getting off the rest of the suspension. Just put the suspension on.
I'm trying to get that oil line and the oil cooler out.
Oh yeah, those two lines that were broken and leaking. So that's what he's working on right now. And they go to the oil cooler, which is right there that he pulled out. So here's the lines right here.
You're gonna be a bitch to feed back through.
Yeah, that's gonna be a fun part. The easy part is always pulling it out, right? So. Alright, also we're at the point where Chris got the lines ran. Next step is to get some oil, and we're gonna put some oil in the car. That way we can see if the car runs and if there's any more oil leaks on it. And on the quarter panel, Right now he's just trying to get the glue off inside. He's already got the rivets grinded off. Well, there's the skin that we need to use right there, so it's already off. Alright, y'all, we're getting ready to put this car up on the frame. You guys can see the suspension still not on there, just because it needs to be pulled, and because the bolts aren't lining up, so therefore there's no way to get the suspension on until we put it up on the frame and get it pulled. So we're about to get that done, and Chris is about to do his framework. Oh, you took it off already? What the hell, is that all glue?
So the molding itself is bolted on, but there's a molding that goes on top right here, that little round thing, and it's windshield urethane on top of the bolts.
On top of the bolts?
On top of the bolts.
That was fun. As you got here after work, Chris has already put the suspension on the car. He's got this pulled out already. He had to heat it up and he got it pulled out, but right here, as you can see, it's a little small crack, so that's gonna get welded once we do aluminum welding. But as y'all can see, the car is on a suspension now, so everything seems to line up pretty good. Of course, we'll be able to tell more once we take it to alignment, but only thing left to do is now is cut this window out and get this quarter panel out to put the new one on. So you can see the car is off the frame, and Chris is working on drilling out the quarter panel. What are you doing? Are you like using bigger ones than smaller ones?
Yeah, I was using a small one to make a pilot hole. The big one I just wanted to wander around. I'm trying to make the holes as small as possible. So if he wants to try to sell this, I don't just have a bunch of big grinder marks or giant holes.
Yeah.
You know?
I don't think anyone's gonna buy that.
He's thinking about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. After seeing what that guy fixed yesterday,
Yeah.
I mean, somebody might just need, you know, somebody might want to section in part of it. I mean, you never know.
You never know. You're right. I mean, that is true. So,
$700 for a fuel cap.
yeah. That's insane, right? Got the oldies right here. This is just the beginning. At least y'all can see the process. It's pretty neat, dude. It's cool you get to look back at it and see it, you know?
Yeah. I think.
So it looks like without a quarter panel, right? This fitment right here, just to kind of see how much more he has to work with those brackets, or how close it is. Still need to heat up and make it out some more?
Yeah. Much more that's going to really tear off, but got to weld it anyways. I'll get a better idea when this is trimmed up and it actually sits on there better.
Here's the grill piece, right?
Let's see how it's for start. Anyways.
Just gonna see how man, I think opens and closes pretty good.
I'm almost happy with it.
Alright, y'all. So we got the fitment where we want it. So it's time to move on to the next step. Next step is to take it to my cousin's house. He's a professional aluminum welder. So we got to get up on the trailer and drive it over to his house. And in addition to that, in the next video, I will show you guys the aftermarket custom exhaust we put on the car as well. So stay tuned, and in a couple days we'll have a new video out there for you. And as always, thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.